today I've got this new Miele washing machine. Today it's got a problem, and the problem is it's got a faulty pump, and every time I turn it on it keeps a drain fault. So it's an 8 kilogram, 8.0. Yeah, 8. Ours is a bit bigger. So let's do it. And I just put that on there for show. That's not. So first we open up this tray, and that is to put your softener. That is main wash, and this is pre-wash. But I'm putting this in the pre-wash detergent right here. So it's going to take about a minute, hopefully 1 minute. This will go in the main wash. I've got to turn around. Wash it on the outside. And now we've done that, we will press this button to turn it on. And it's already been going. So it's going on the spin cycle now. And we should get a bucket so it's... Oh, get a bucket, quick! Put that in there. Was that a good idea? Yeah, and then the reason I just put that in there is so it keeps the water in it, because it usually drains and it doesn't do the fault. How about if I put this little baby one on? They're both working. They're both on speed. Let me just put it on. That one's already finished and this one's not. Let's turn it off. How about if we set it on this, just so we can see. Oh, the option's not possible. And I'm spinning it just to see if the fault is still there. I'm just going to drain it now. It's got to drain. There we go. Yeah, it just get out the salty water, and then it gets new water. Yeah, it is definitely a pump problem. It was just using that. Now it's going to drain, basically. There, it just drained like that. Yeah, and it's nearly finished, 1 minute, and there's definitely a problem with this pump. And we're gonna strip it tomorrow, make a video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and turn on notifications. It helps my channel a lot and I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.